I got two batteries right here. One is defective and one is not. They both are identical size, 4 amp hour each. This is the defective one. You can see it's flashing. And this is the normal one. This is what it should do if it's normal. And also you can use your charger. This is what it should do and it's working fine. It should be blinking as it's charging. But if I swap this one in, you can see it's not charging. It's blinking red and green, meaning it's defective. This is the second time I'm gonna have to do this. I had to reset a different battery 2 years ago. I haven't had any issue with it since. And now this battery is having the same issue. Let's open it up and see if we can use the same method to fix it. I am using a C10 to take the security screw out. This can easily be fixed from the manufacturer. Just add a physical reset button on the outside, or this button can be programmed to be a reset button. If you just hold it for a couple seconds, that would be really nice if Ryobi could do that on the future battery. If they're already doing that, great. But if not, that would be a good thing to add for future battery they release. Now I'm just using a razor to peel back the sticker. And now you should be able to remove this. Your battery circuit board might look a little different, but you are looking for two circuits that say reset or RST, somewhere close to two circuit. In my case, it's right here, and yours, it might be somewhere else. I'm just using a piece of wire. I'm using the same method I used 2 years ago on a different battery. You can see it light up. That's mean it just reset. And now if I press this button, you can see the battery is low, that it needs to be charged. Let's put the case back on and see if it's going to charge. And it's charging just fine now. I really wish Ryobi put a reset button on here or program this power button to be resettable. The only thing you can do to prevent this defective mode is to not run your battery down super low and try not to keep reusing it after your power tool shut down, letting you know that the battery is low. If you keep using it like that, it's gonna go into defective mode. All I have to do is put the screw back in place. If you like this video, you might also enjoy the recommended video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.